The Magic Trunk is a highly versatile and accommodating storage space. It's easily accessed from the back of the vehicle by raising the handle on the cargo floor lid and lifting the lid up and out. Note that the lid can be flipped over and used with the uncarpeted side up when hauling dirty or rough cargo. And if a taller cargo space is needed in back, the lid can be placed at the bottom of the storage area by pushing the far end in and pulling the handle while lowering the rear edge. Select models have a removable second-row center seat that can be folded and stowed in the Magic Trunk. Here's how you do it. First, detach and store the center seat belt. Insert the latch plate into the slot on the side of the anchor buckle. Then, let the belt retract into the holder in the ceiling. Pull the release strap and lower the center seat back. Now, pull the lock release strap at the front of the seat and lift the rear of the seat with the handle in the back. Pull the seat rearward slightly to release it from the front brackets and lift the seat out. Remove the cargo floor lid and the available cargo dividers from the Magic Trunk. Locate and remove the seat storage strap from the pocket at the back of the trunk and secure it to the anchor on the passenger side. Lower the seat into the trunk with the head restraint on the driver's side of the vehicle. Pull the seat storage strap across the top of the seat and secure it to the driver's side anchor. Replace the cargo lid, and you're done.